Yun po. So, since medyo mababa naman po yung blood sugar reading ko, no, 118, gamitin ko na rin po itong oras na to to test boiled eggs, hard-boiled eggs. So, nirequest po ito ng isa sa mga followers po natin, and I think medyo madami-dami na rin po sila na nagre-request. So, curious din ako kasi for a long period of time, no, that I've been eating eggs, hindi ko po na-measure to eh. So, ngayon po, kakain po ako ng dalawa. Tapos, babalik po ako after an hour to check kung ano po yung magiging blood sugar spike po niya, kung meron po ba or wala. So, today, malaman na po natin. Naka 1 hour na po, so kuha na po tayo ng blood sugar. Mukhang wala naman. Oo, meron din ha. I think we started at 118. Kung naalala ko siya, it's 122. Well, 4 units lang, no? Sobrang minimal naman. Sige, balik po ulit ako after an hour to get the final blood sugar reading. See ya. 2 hours na po, so final blood sugar reading na po tayo. Yeah. So, bumaba na po siya. 100. I think nag-start tayo ng 118, umakyat ng 122, now it's 119. So, sobrang minimal po ng eggs. So, definitely, it's a safe food to eat. Dalawa lang po yung kinain ko ha. So, yeah. Try to research some more kung po pwede pa pong kumain ng more than what I ate today. But I think it's safe enough to be eaten by a diabetic person. So, see you guys in the next vlog. Bye-bye.